So today I'm making Byrek dough, which is like a quiche dough. I don't know. And I'm opening them a little bit. And then I'll let them rest for like 10 minutes. And then I'll open them completely to make the Byrek dough. The dough is ready to roll, and then the baby spinach and green onions, and then organic goat cheese we have here. And stay tuned to see the results. I forgot to mention the eggs. We had like 4 or 5 eggs. Depends the amount, how many people you want to feed. Stay tuned. So I ended up opening this by hand. Super easy. The more you let it rest, the better it is. So I layered the pan with a little bit of coconut oil. And now you do this. And we pour the filling in there, which I have to mix. You do it by hand, but if you have a food processor, why not? Okay. So I added to the mix, and now I'm just we're gonna put another layer of the dough, which actually I can do it by hand. I don't even need it's super easy, really, to do this. And you have a meal in no time. And delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. So the spinach Byrek is ready. I'm just gonna flip it over so it keeps the same moisture. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit! So I just turned the Byrek, spinach Byrek, over in a wooden, and then I'm going to put it back into the pan, and then we'll cut it and serve it. I hope you guys try it. So I'm just turning it over, and now it's going to be ready to cut into pieces. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit! So the spinach Byrek is ready, or pita spinach, however you would call it. And it's cooked to perfection. All it takes is like 30 minutes in the oven. I hope you guys try it. Bon appetit!